Welcome to the Holiday Hop with myself, you&meFPP, Colleen from Colleen Sews and Chats, and Melissa from Practically Creative. We are going to hope you enjoy our quick Christmas makes. Thank you. So today it's Christmas stocking making. It's quite a simple pattern. Just cut out the shape of a boot and start sewing your pieces onto the wadding. I had the 12 Days of Christmas fabric which I've been using throughout. I've used the top part and folded it in half with wadding in between. Then I've sewn the cuff onto the top of each stocking, as you can see there, and then stitched all the way around the stocking, clipping with pinking shears around the edge of the stocking. The lining is made exactly the same way as the stocking, again clipping around the edge. And I've added a hanging hook to mine, and it looks quite good when it's finished. I quite like it. Thank you very much for watching.